Hello guys, my name is Carlos Horta. I'm a real estate agent here in Miami. And today I wanted to go over the 4 reasons why real estate agents do not make it early on in their real estate career. The first reason why real estate agents don't make it early on is because they don't have enough funds. Many people get the idea that real estate is really easy, but it's really easy after you learn pretty much everything you have to do as a realtor. So at the beginning, you gotta be careful and you gotta make sure you have enough funds when starting. Remember, as a realtor, you are your own business. So you gotta have enough funds to support that business. You gotta pay for gas. You gotta have a computer to work from. You need to have a car, as a realtor, because transportation, especially where I'm at in Miami, it's really hard. And it can really hurt a realtor when they don't have these key elements incorporated into their business. You also gotta pay for cards, you gotta pay for propaganda, and you gotta pay your bills, and you gotta make sure you have enough money saved up to pay those bills. I do recommend anyone that's going into real estate to go into real estate full on, make it your full-time job. You also gotta make sure you have enough funds to make this your full-time job. Me, myself, I didn't make my first sale till 5 months into my real estate career. So it was, really hard for those 5 months because I wasn't making any money, and everything I will see in my account was negative, negative, negative. And it was it was really getting to me, and it was really, getting to me mentally, especially. So remember guys, at the beginning, you want to make sure you have enough funds and that you have your expenses or the expenses at the beginning taken care of so you can focus on real estate. At the beginning, you have to focus on learning. So I myself, it took me 5 months just learning till I was, able to sell a home. Now, the second reason why real estate agents don't make it early on in their real estate career is that they don't generate leads. They don't know how to generate leads. Guys, as a real estate agent, our main job is to generate leads. So generating leads through social media, ads like Google ads, Facebook ads. We have to focus on generating leads and getting those leads and converting it into sales. That's pretty much what a real estate agent does. Generate leads. That's pretty much our job. Some do it through cold calls, some do it through open house, but you gotta find what is your way of generating leads. What is the best way for you to generate leads? Because everyone has a different, way to generate leads that they feel more comfortable with. I myself, I can't stand cold calling. I can't stand cold calling, on and on and on and on, because it gets tiresome for me. But the way that I find that I can generate leads is going through networking events and meeting other realtors, going out there meeting clients, or through social media. This is how I found myself to be able to generate leads better. But remember, we are a lead machine. That's our main focus as real estate agents. Now, guys, the third reason why real estate agents don't make it early on in their real estate career is because they don't follow up with clients. When I first started, I didn't like calling clients, that I have met in the past that told me, oh, I don't want to buy, because I felt like I was just calling them, to sell them a home. And I myself was showing to them that that's what I was calling for. But I learned this from Sirhan. You probably heard of him. He sells real estate in New York. Luxury real estate in New York. What I learned from Sirhan was that people don't like to be sold, but people love to buy with friends. So you want to become friends with your clients first. You want to get to know them on a deeper level. I learned this early on in my real estate career, thankfully, and it really helped me. I will call my clients, get to know them more, ask them about their lives, how are their kids, how are they doing, how's the job, So I will ask them these questions, and sometimes I will even get with my clients for coffee. Neither I will be like, hey, I'm gonna pass by your area. Hey, you wanna go get some coffee so we can catch up? Making a relationship, that's what you want early on when you're starting off with a new client, or you're trying to get a client to, buy with you or sell with you. So that's the main thing that I want you guys to take from following up with clients, that you want to make them your friend first. You want to get to know them, just letting them know that you're thinking about them. The fourth reason why real estate agents fail is because they think it's easy. I've seen this over and over again. I see many real estate agents that have potential, but they think it's easy. And so once they hit the first wall, they don't know how to get through it. Remember, you got to keep a positive mindset when starting off as a real estate agent. Do whatever motivates you, going to exercise, listening to podcasts, listening to motivational videos. As a real estate agent, the biggest thing that's gonna happen to you is that you're gonna go through a lot of emotional tolls, you know, with your clients, deals that fall off. I myself, I hate feeling stuck. Like when I feel that I'm stuck or I'm not progressing, like I beat myself up. I'm like, oh, you gotta get out there. You gotta do, you know, you gotta do something to be productive. So, you know, every realtor, you know, at the beginning and even later on, you're gonna hit a lot of walls and roadblocks, but you gotta prepare yourself to overcome those roadblocks and take everything as a learning experience. This is what made it easier for me. I every day, everything I do, I take it as a learning experience. And what I think of is that my future clients are gonna get such a better service because I've learned so much. How I also view things is that to me, everything has a solution. So you are a problem solver as a real estate agent, and you gotta go find solutions. You gotta go above and beyond your comfort zone to find solutions. But guys, these are the 4 main reasons why I see real estate agents fail. So thank you guys for watching this video. Take care.